If you are looking for a reliable and professional land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, look no further than scondesignindia Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have earned a solid reputation for providing accurate and efficient land surveying services. Whether you are a property developer, architect, or construction company, having a land surveyor is essential to ensure the success of your project. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping for any land development project. Their team of skilled surveyors utilizes the latest technology and equipment to provide high-quality surveying services. They are well-versed in using advanced surveying tools such as GPS, total stations, and 3D laser scanners to capture accurate data. This allows them to create comprehensive land surveys that meet the requirements of their clients. One of the main benefits of hiring Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as your land surveyor in Bhubaneswar is their extensive knowledge of local regulations and land laws. They have a thorough understanding of the legal requirements for land development projects in the area, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the necessary guidelines. This knowledge helps to prevent any potential legal issues or disputes that may arise in the future. Another advantage of working with Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is their commitment to delivering projects on time and within budget. They understand that time is of the essence in the construction industry, and delays can be costly. Therefore, they strive to complete all surveys efficiently without compromising on accuracy. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet their needs. In addition to land surveying services, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd also offers a range of other related services such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction layout surveys. This comprehensive approach allows them to support clients throughout the entire project lifecycle, from initial planning to final construction. In conclusion, if you are in need of a professional land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is an excellent choice. With their expertise, advanced technology, and commitment to quality, they can provide accurate and reliable land surveying services for any type of land development project. Contact them today.